In this video, we'll walk you through how to resolve the issue of private browsing not appearing in Safari on your iPhone. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now let's dive in. When we open Safari and tap on the Tabs button in the bottom right corner, you'll notice that the private option is missing, which is usually right next to the tabs. Even if you tap on the three lines in the bottom right, you won't see it there either. To fix this, exit Safari and go to your iPhone settings. The problem is due to a restriction, so scroll down and select Screen Time. Once you're there, find the option for Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap it. Next, tap on Content Restrictions, then go to Web Content. Here, change the setting to Unrestricted Access. You will need to enter your screen time passcode to confirm the change. If you don't know it, ask the person who set it up to enter it for you. Once that's done, go back to Safari. Wait for a few moments and you should now see the private browsing option reappear. You can now tap the three lines and you'll find the private option available again.